as though taller. Now, you do have to make sure that you're getting the right wheels. Like the front wheels, you need to make sure which ones. So, I'm going to show you that. And look, we're making a car. You can do any design, but I'm doing this. You have to make sure that you have a car seat too. And then you sit in your seat, then you unanchor it all, or if you have that pole, this entire part is unanchored, so you just delete the pole, and then you just delete it, and now you have your car. See? And it works. Oh, they switched to light. Uh-oh. The water's pulling me away, but my car is pretty fast. So we can go over to here. Uh-oh. Couldn't tell. Uh-oh. There. Uh-oh. Getting stuck. Okay. Uh-oh. 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 Guys, they turn on isolation mode, but the problem is my controls got messed up. I've never known that, but I am going to have to reset. I'm guessing I have to reset. Hopefully this will fix it. I bet it will. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to leave and rejoin. Well, I'm leaving and rejoining. I joined back. Oh my gosh, I actually got white team. White team technically is the best if you're doing like the portal chat where you get like AFKing, but I'm not going to show you guys that. Actually, I'll show you another AFK thing to let you know. Why did I just place that? So, I am going to show you the way that you have to make it. You have to do it this way, or you have to launch. And you have to make it just how I'm making it. I am not that good at flying this, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. Make sure you block it unanchored once you place it. I don't know why. I forgot to do that. But yeah. Well, all the blocks can be unanchored. So, I need to find an hinge. There's the hinge. And then you make it face upwards. Now this is kind of like how you do the mech. So what you do now, I think you have to have it unanchored for this part. So I unanchored, and then you just place 2 bio blocks. And then you delete your rod. Well, I have to unanchor the entire thing. And you fly. You can jump, don't know, I think I have to eat that bio block. That's weird. Usually goes really fast. I guess they may have fixed it. It is a glitch. I guess they fixed it. But yeah, you technically can make it to the end with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete this. But you can make it to the end pretty easily. So yeah, I would say this is basically everything that you need to learn, in my opinion. Well, Actually, wait. I'll show you this. These are servos, and you need to buy the card pack to get them. I don't know why you have to buy. I think, yeah, it's this. Or actually it's this. I don't know. I think this is probably more likely. I'm going to grind for a bit to see which one's correct, since I don't want you guys to do wrong. But first, I'll show you what these are used for. You'll get 2, and I bought, well, 3 times, so, yeah, I'll give you 2. And you will like to have this. Actually, wait. Well, first I'm going to show you a meaning, and then, oh good, my blocks are not good. Because then you can have that. Then you can place a chair on here. Like that. And you may be asking, why would you want a chair? You flick the lever, it turns. Now you can select all of this with your screwdriver, and you can see all of this right here. There's some new things. That and that and that and that are all new. So we could reverse rotation. So the angle we want to be 90 degrees. So if you want it to be 90, it'll turn like that. More further. See? So that's so this and servo speed can really help. If you turn to 50, watch how instant this is. Look, I have figured out a way to glitch this, so I'm going to see if I can do that. So if you think, oh, guess I can't do it anymore. And now I'm going to try this AFK thing. I think you do like that. I think it's like 3. Yeah, that looks right to me. And then you grab yourself. You only need 1 servo for this. Hopefully this method will work. I think it's like that. Yeah. And then you will need right there, I think. Then you place a seat. I think you place a cake. No, actually, I think you place a hinge. We're doing this, the hinge glitch, I think. Faces that way, I think. Do that. And I'll try it. It works. Oh, I thought I did it. Hopefully once I place the chair, maybe it's the cake glitch. Maybe I was wrong. Oh, now I have to do match rotation. Nope. Huh. Well, that is it. Okay, so I've been grinding for a bit. Well, I did some off-camera grinding. So, I will show you which one you should pick for staying to the end. And also, tell me what I should do next in the comments. Comment down below what I should do next. So let's see if I picked the right one. I think I picked the right one. Nope, I didn't pick the right one. It's this one. Okay, so buy this one instead of the one that I bought.